Here we have designed a circuit which is going to simulate a sequence by which we're going to have two cylinders actuating at the same time. But what is going to happen is that we're going to have our first cylinder to extend up. Once it fully extends, then we're going to build pressure in our system. We have incorporated sequence valves of which when we reach the attained pressure of 8 at maximum load, which means it's fully extended, then our sequence valve will open, allowing the fluid to flow to our other cylinder. Then it will as well extend up. Once it fully extends, then we're going to actuate our valve to retract the cylinders. So the second cylinder, which was the last one to extend, will start by retracting. As soon as it's fully retracts, then the other one will fully retract. But having said that, I would love to turn on the machine so that we can simulate what we have done. So this is our retraction. Having simulated our circuit here, this circuit that we have simulated here can as well be used in the industry. For instance, I will give an example of the sugar factory. In the factory, we can use the two cylinders, that one which is going to position the manufactured or the finished product on the conveyor belt onto another moving part where it is going to be stored or packaged once more. It can as well be used on a drilling machine. One cylinder can hold the workpiece in position, then the other cylinder can be used as the moving factor or the moving force to drill onto the machine. We have different challenges that we experienced in terms of varying on how much pressure will be flowing through each lines. So by so doing, we had our pressure gauge and the flow meter. These were our two main components that we used onto detecting on how much flow and how much pressure is within the circuits that we're using.
You tell me which pressure that you have set.
Okay, so the first pressure that we set was from the pump, which is going through the relief valve, which we set at 80 bar. At 80 bar. Then the other one for this first line, which is going to the extension part, we set it at 50. Then the other one on the retracting was set at 60. The reason that why we did that is because we wanted to achieve the movement whereby when one fully extends, then there's not much pressure to suppress the other one to as well extend. We wait for one to fully extend, then the other one can as well extend. When one fully retracts, then the other one can as well retract.
Thanks very much. I hope any challenges from the others, any comments so far?
I think just to add on to what my colleague has said concerning the prioritizing of the cylinders when retracting and extending. On the part that we had a challenge first, we had set these two relief valves at the same pressure. That gave us a challenge on retracting. This one is our primary retracting cylinder, and knowing that we have difference in surface areas on the roadside and at the roadside and at the base. So yes sir. So meaning we need more pressure to retract than to extend. So that is why we had to differentiate the pressures between the retracting relief valve and the extending relief valve.